It seems to me there's no reason why we can't treat recordings of improvisations as we treat recordings of compositions. That might be for entertainment purposes, or for education, or for historical purposes. And one might use a recording of an improvisation as material that can be edited and developed for subsequent performances. But in using an improvisation as part of the composition process, it ultimately becomes part of the composition. Recording fixes the musical idea so that it can be taken out of the moment, treated as a kind of musical object rather than as a fleeting, never to be recaptured musical event. And perhaps recording turns all performances into compositions for that reason. If so, for some improvisers, that may be another reason why they might be wary of recording. I sort of got that impression from what Derek Bailey had said about improvising. But clearly it doesn't apply to improvisers across the board. But perhaps there could be another way to approach editing or recording of an improvisation in circumstances where a performer knowingly falls short of externalising the idea they attempted to communicate. Editing and recording from this point of view would be aiming to develop the musical idea as an improvisation, or to correct deficiencies in the execution of an improvised idea. A good musical idea, whether composed or improvised, deserves the best treatment it could be given, so we might reasonably suppose. So why settle for what might turn out to be an inferior rendering of an idea when a better one is attainable? Why shouldn't the improviser make use of the same range of editing techniques that a composer or the performer of a composed work might do